Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page in Wix at 2026. So actually guys, at first you will need of course to log in with your account to Wix website, and after that I do really want you to go and click on my site right here on the top left actually of the page, on the top bar of the page, and then just select your site, or just go to all sites option and then select that site that you want to duplicate a page on it. Okay, so click it and then go and click on design the site. Okay, then you will be forwarded into the Wix website editor, so you will need to wait it to load. And after that, you will need to go with the left panel right here and click on the pages and a menu option. Okay, so after that, hover the page that you want to duplicate and then just click on the three dots next to it. Okay, so as you can see, we are presented with multiple options right here, so we will need just go and click on duplicate here. Okay, after that, just go and click on duplicate page and then just rename the page that you duplicate just right here. Okay, give it a name. And yeah, so the duplicate page, you will need to copy, copies the layout, text, images, and sections, appears as a page name or a copy of the page name, and yeah, it's hidden from the menu by default, so you can show it anytime. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.